Let us discuss another topic, rank of a matrix. Rank of a matrix. Rank of a matrix is nothing but, what is rank of a matrix? Let us discuss. Number of non-zero rows in a matrix. Actually, we have lot of definitions for rank of a matrix. This definition is very simple. Number of non-zero rows in a matrix. So I will explain what is rank of a matrix in brief. Suppose if you have a matrix suppose you have a matrix, let us take 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So what is rank here? This rank will be this row no zeros, here also no zeros, here also no zeros, so rank is 3. One more example I am just considering here. 1 2 3 0 0 4 0 0 0. So what is the rank of this matrix? See here number of non-zero row, here no zeros are there, so we can consider this. Here two zeros, but here complete row has to be 0, here two zeros and here one non-zero, so this complete is, this is also non-zero row, so this is also considerable. See here complete row is 0. If you have complete row is 0 like this, then we should not consider this for rank of a matrix. Okay, so what is rank here? So rank is equals to number of non-zero rows is equals to how much? 2. Don't think that sir here we have two zeros, so that's why we should not consider this. It is not like that. Even one zero is there, we should not consider like this. Okay, so even if one element is present, so it is non-zero row, complete row has to be 0. So this is rank. This is some idea regarding rank of a matrix. Okay, next, how to calculate this rank of a matrix? To calculate rank of a matrix, we have two methods. One is echelon form and second one is normal form. And I will explain now how to find rank of a matrix by using echelon form. Now I am going to explain. This is echelon form. I'm just I've written here echelon form. How to find rank of a matrix by echelon form, I'm explaining here. Let us consider one matrix 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. This is a matrix and this is row 1, this is row 2 and this is row 3. So this complete is row 1, row 2 and row 3. So in echelon form, first make this element as 0. Normally I am using here to make this 0 as row 1 and then make this as 0. Here also I am using row 1. See here you can use either row 1 or row 3. It is your wish. As per my comfort, I am using here row 1. Here also I am using row 1. Here and then make this as this lower part. This lower part you have to make 0. And this, see here this is column 1, column 2, column 3. Here column 1, that's why I am using here row 1. Here column 2, use row 2. Many of the students, they are confusing. They are using here sometimes row 1, row 3, something. It is your wish. But thing is, if you solve problem in this proper order, you won't get confused in your exam. Okay. So after making these three elements 0, you will get matrix in this way. Something another element you may get here 1 2 3 something here like this you will get. 1 2 3 something. Here you will get 0, here you will get 0, here you will get 0, here some element, some x element, here also you will get some x element, here also you will get some x element. Let us take some element. Okay, after this 0, now check if what is rank. Earlier I told how to find rank of a matrix. Now check, you will understand. If here one more 0 is present, then its rank is 2. Why? Because here 2 rows are present. If this 3 also 0 0 0 0, then its rank is 1. If here some element is there, here also some number, here also some number, here also 3 numbers are there, then rank is 3. This is in simple way how to solve a problem in echelon form. Okay, now I'm going to explain a problem by using echelon form. Let's take this problem. Determine the rank of a matrix. Determine the rank of a matrix. Determine the rank of a matrix by using echelon form. By using echelon form. Has given a matrix 1 2 3 1 4 2 2 6 5. This matrix he has given here. Now see what is happening here is, we have this matrix. Now we need to make this term as 0, this number as 0, and this number as 0. This is echelon form, remember this. Okay, let us consider this matrix as A, capital A, 1 2 3 1 4 2 2 6 5. As I have assigned here, name of this matrix is capital A. Now make this element as 0. So this is row 2. I am performing operation on this row 2. This is row 1, row 2, row 3. So I am performing operation on row 2. Already explained, this is row 1, this is row 2, and this is row 3. Row 1, row 2, row 3. I am performing operation on this row 2. So this R2, row 2, here 1 is there. I want to make this 0. So here 1 is there, and I am using, I already told I am using here only R1. So R2 minus R1, because here these two are same numbers are there. Okay, R2 minus R1. Okay, if you subtract R2 minus R1, how much you will get? Your row 1 will be same as it is, 1 2 3, and here R2 minus R1. Subtract this minus this, so 1 minus 1 is 0. And then R2 minus R1, 4 minus 2, how much? 2. And then R2 minus R1, 2 minus 3 is how much? Minus 1. And R3 is same, 2 6 5. This is our required R2. And then what we need to solve here? After completion of this, make this as 0. This here 1 is there, here 2 is there. Already told, to this we are using R1, here also R1, so here also use R1. So I am doing operation on R3. So R3 tends to what you have? R3 minus 2R1. Why? Because 2 ones are 2. Solve, you will get, and row 1, row 2 will be same. So 1 2 3 0 2 minus 1. What about R3? So here see, minus 2R1. So minus 2 into 1, minus 2. 2 minus 2, this is 0. And 6 minus 2 into 2. So 6, 2 to is 4. So how much you will get? Here you will get 2. Here you will get minus 1. Here also finished. And now we are going to make this as 0. To this we are using R2. Okay, R1, R1, R2, remember like this. So now it will become, just make a line here. I am doing operation on R3, so R3 tends to R3 minus R2 simply. So R3 minus R2, how much you will get? 1, 2, 3, 0, 2, minus 1, R3 minus R2. So 0 minus 0 is 0, and all these numbers are same. So 0, 0, 0 you will get. Okay, now check this lower triangle. This is 0 here. Okay, echelon form is converted. Now check how many number of non-zero rows are there. Number of non-zero is 1, number of non-zero is 2. Here all are zeros, don't consider this. So 1, 2. So number of non-zero rows, number of non-zero rows are 2. Therefore, what is rank of a matrix? Rank of matrix capital A. What is rank of matrix capital A is 2. Thus we can solve a problem in echelon by using echelon form. Okay, next let us solve one more problem. Same problem. I'm going to solve one more problem. It is 4 by 4 matrix. Here we have 3 by 3 matrix. I didn't explain 4 by 4 matrix. I will explain 4 by 4. Same problem. Let us take, this is also find rank of a matrix. I am writing in short rank of a matrix in, by using echelon form. Okay, and the matrix is, let us take this matrix name itself, A capital A, 1, 2, 3, 0, 2, 4, 3, 2, 3, 2, 1, 3, 6, 8, 7, 5. So this is 4 by 4 matrix. This is 4 by 4. So 4 rows and 4 columns. We need to find rank of a matrix in echelon form. Okay, by using echelon form. See, normally in 3 by 3, what we are doing in 3 by 3, lower triangle is 0. Here also same thing, lower triangle. This lower triangle. Here this thing, this lower triangle we are going to make now 0. So these 3 here, 3 numbers we have to make 0. Here 2 numbers, here one number we have to make 0. Okay, and earlier I told this is row 1. I'm writing here row 1, this is row 2, this is row 3, and this is row 4. Now make this 0, 0, 0. See here, if you solve neatly, means if you solve here step by step, it will take a lot of time. That's why I'm solving all these 3 at once. Okay, just making this 0, I'm using R1. To make this 0, I'm using R1. To make this 0 also, I'm using R1. Okay, so I'm doing operation on R2. R2 tends to, here 2, here 1 is there, multiply with this 2, and here nothing. So R2 minus 2R1. Next, R3 tends to R3 minus 3R1. R4 tends to R4 minus 6R1. If you calculate all this, you will get matrix in this way. R1 is same as it is, 1, 2, 3, 0, and R2 will become 0, 0, minus 3, 2. Why? Because R2 minus 2R1. R2 minus 2 into R1. 2 into 1 is minus 2. So 2 minus 2 is 0. And here minus 2 into 2 is minus 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. Like this. If you solve, you will get like this. Similarly, R3 minus 3R1, if you solve, you will get 0, minus 4, minus 8, 3, 0, minus 4, minus 11, 5. Afterwards, we made all these three 0 and then make these two as 0. These two. But thing here is, here already one 0 is there. This is R2, this is R3. I'm just interchanging these two rows. So interchanging here, continuation I'm solving here. I'm interchanging R2 and R3. How much you will get? 1, 2, 3, 0, 0, minus 4, minus 8, 3, 0, 0, minus 3, 2, 0, minus 4, minus 11, 5. This is 0. Okay. Now we are these three 0, and then we have to make these two as 0. I'm just erasing this. So rewrite. This is also 0. Rewrite. So here what happened is, now we have to make this 0. Use R2. So what we have to write now? I'm doing operation on R4. So R4 tends to R4 minus R2. Just these two. I'm here using R2. Okay. What will happen now? Now this equation, this matrix will become here R1, R2, R3 same. So 1, 2, 3, 0, 0, minus 4, minus 8, 3, 0, 0, minus 3, 2. What is R4? R4 tends to R4 minus R2. So R4 minus R2, this one. So 0 minus 0 is 0. Minus 4, minus of minus is plus, plus 4, this is 0. Minus 11 plus 8 is minus 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. Okay. Now we got this also. Now here 3 numbers 0, here 2 numbers, here we have to make this 0. So I'm doing operation on R4 and I'm using here only R3. Already told what I told. Use here R1, 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 R2, R2, R3. This is, if you follow this method, it will be easy for you. Okay. So I'm just doing operation on R4. Simply is R4 minus R3. Okay. So R4 minus R3. Why? Because minus 3 minus of minus 3 is plus. So minus 3 plus 3 is 0. How much you will get? 1, 2, 3, 0. This is R1 same. R2 0, minus 4, minus 8, 3 same. R3 also same. 0, 0, minus 3, 2. R4 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0 is 0. Minus 3 of this is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. Subtracting R4 minus R3. So I have converted this in echelon form. See, this lower triangle, this complete is 0. Now check how many number of non-zero rows are there. So how many? 1, 2, 3. Here complete zeros are there. So how many rows are there? 3. So number of non-zero rows is equals to 3. Rank of the given matrix is 3. Thus we can solve problems by using echelon form.